Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter number 7 of Geography, in which we are discussing about major industries. In this video lesson, we shall study about the information technology or the IT industry, which refers to the modes through which people communicate in a better way. It includes storage, processing and distribution of information. With the invention of information technology, the world, it has become a global village. Computers are the most significant part of IT industry. The invention of computers brought the electronic age. The electronic age began in 1940 when the first high-speed general-purpose computer was developed in USA. Today, IT forms a part of electronics and includes telephone, radio, television, telegraph, fax, satellite phone, etc. Besides being environment friendly, IT also makes our life fast and comfortable. By touching a button, we can access great deal of information at very high speed. The major centers of IT industry are Silicon Valley, which is in California, and Bengaluru, which is in India. Apart from Bengaluru, other emerging IT centers in India are Mumbai, Pune, New Delhi, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi and Chandigarh. So let's talk about Bengaluru, the Silicon Valley or an electronic city of India. Bengaluru, this is the capital city of Karnataka. It is located on the Deccan Plateau of India. It is the largest center of electronic goods production and is rightly termed as the electronic capital of India. It spreads over 330 acres of land. So, this industrial park has most of the electronic and IT companies such as Motorola, Siemens, Infosys, Wipro and ITI. Our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru wanted to make Bengaluru the city of the future. The factors responsible for the development of Bengaluru as an IT center are availability of highly educated and skilled labor force, strong support from government. A number of domestic and foreign IT firms are situated in Bengaluru that encourage people to work in a high-tech environment. They also provide market for IT industries. Its climate is very conducive for work, which makes working conditions very attractive. Silicon Valley, a significant IT center of USA. Silicon Valley is situated in California, state of USA in North America. Silicon Valley, this is a part of Santa Clara Valley. It lies between the cities San Francisco and San Jose. Frederick Ammon Terman was the professor of electrical engineering in Stanford University. He was concerned about the career prospects of his pupils. Once he invited the graduate students William Hewlett and David Packard to start an enterprise near the university. They began working in a garage and by 1973, Hewlett-Packard had become a famous company. Therefore, Frederick Terman is considered the father of Silicon Valley. Very soon, several other large companies such as Intel, manufacturer of semiconductors, Apple Computer, maker of computer hardware, Sun Microsystem, etc. made their centers in Clara country. These companies produce software, computers, disk, radar, etc. So dear student, it's bringing me to the end of the chapter. I hope you will find the chapter beneficial. Thank you. Have a nice day.